Hi, Claudia. I just created this little Tailwind CSS plugin for text shadows, and I thought, why not? Let me show you how to install it. And while you're here, just remember to click the star here. So the first thing we need to do is I'm going to copy this npm command. You can use npm or yarn. And I'm going to go over to my terminal. Just going to cancel out that project, paste it in, and wait for the installation to complete. Okay, I'm going to start up my dev server again. Go back to the project, and it's working. And as you can see, there's no text shadow so far. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to just put this to the side, create my text editor, go back to npm, and in the setup section, I'm just going to grab this one line of code, copy it, and I'm going to paste it in here. And by doing this, I can now go over to this, to the text shadow class here. And if I go back here, you'll see I have a text shadow. And just zoom in, and you'll see the text shadow is a little bit harsh. I don't like it. I'm actually going to change it up a bit later. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to copy this section, or you can copy the whole line. Go back to the configuration. Just behind the required statement, you can just paste it in, and this will invoke the function with the options. So now that I've done that, you'll see it's changed. To prove it to you, I'm just going to go to, say, increase the opacity here, and you see it's much darker. You can set the blur radius. And the offset. And the Y offset as well, of course. But this is not how we're going to do it. We're going to change it down here. This is going to be our default values. So I'm going to set 1. Make the blur radius about 2. And now I'm going to go over to the front. And in here, I'm just going to drop down some lines here. And then I'm going to say text shadow. And we can change the color. And we can change the color, say, to a dark amber color. And because of the blur radius that is not so small, you can see the color actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to say text shadow offset x9 and text shadow offset y3. Okay, I think we can change this one down a bit. Let's say about 4. And now you can see we can even drop the opacity by just putting slash and say, for instance, 50. Or we can take off the color here and use arbitrary values, and I'm going to say brown. And now you can do the same thing here, put the slash in the back if you want to use some opacity. And that's all you need to do. And of course, you can also use the utility for the blur radius. And that's basically it. With those about 4 or 5 utilities, you can create your own text shadow and use it everywhere you want. So I hope you like this plugin. So give me a like and subscribe, and you'll get notified when I create my next little plugin for you to enjoy.